What do you understand by incenter of the triangle? The point of intersection of the three internal angular bisectors of the triangle is called the incenter. Is it okay? The point of intersection, the common point of intersection of the three angular bisectors is called as the incenter. So let me consider this point as A x1, y1, and let me consider this point as B x2, y2, and let me consider this point as C x3, y3. Correct or not? So I can now say, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is equal to 0, 1. So this implies to me that x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Very similarly, if you consider this BC as the midpoint, I can say x2 plus x3 is equal to 2, right? Same way, same formula you apply. Equation 3, and you will get y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Same formula, you will get equation number 4. Similarly, x1 plus x3 is equal to 2. This is equation number 5. And y1 plus y3 is equal to 0. This is what? Equation number 6. Now what you do, this is nothing but the side A, this is nothing but the side A, this is nothing but the side B, this is nothing but the side B, and this is nothing but the side C, correct? Now the coordinates of the incenter, of the triangle, what is the formula that we know? Ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by A plus B plus C, correct or not? Coordinates of the incenter. Similarly, what is the coordinates of y coordinates of the incenter? Ay1. So I'll write it correctly here. Ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 divided by what is it? A plus B plus C. Are you getting it? A plus B plus C. So now what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to calculate the value of x1 is how much, x2 is how much, x3 is how much. So I can say this implies to me that x1 is equal to minus of x2. So I can say x2 is nothing but minus x1. See here I can say now minus x1 plus x3 is equal to 2. Correct? Solve this equation and this equation. Add both. You will get 2x3 is equal to 4. You will get the value of x3 is equal to 2. If x3 is equal to 2, if x3 is 2, x1 is 0. So x2 also will be equal to 0, correct or not? Similarly, if you see y1, here y1 is equal to minus y3. If y1 is minus y3, here I can write y2 minus y1, that is equal to 2. So now if you add these two, you will get 2y2 is equal to 4. 2y2 is equal to 4. Your value of y2 will be equal to 2. If y2 is equal to 2, your value of y1 will be equal to 0. And if y1 is equal to 0, then y3 also will be equal to 0. So your value of x1, y1 will be equal to 0, 0, and x2, y2 will be equal to, what is this value of x2, y2? x2, y2 will be 0, 2, and x3, y3 will be equal to 2, 0, correct? 2, 0. Now you calculate the value of C. What is the value of C now? C is nothing but a distance formula here, AC. C is nothing but AB. So this is A, this is B, this is C. What is this value of AB is equal to root of 0 plus minus 2 the whole square, that is equal to 2. So what is the value of B? B is nothing but what? B is nothing but AC. B is nothing but AC, that is equal to AC. 0 minus 2 the whole square minus 2 the whole square plus 0, that is equal to 2. And what is the value of A? What's the value of A? A is nothing but BC, that is equal to root over BC root over 2 minus 0 plus 2 minus 0. So 4 plus 4, that is equal to 2 root 2, correct? 2 root 2. So question is asking for x coordinate of the incenter, right? A is nothing but 2 root 2 into x1. 2 root 2 into x1. 2 root 2 into x1. 2 root 2 into x1 plus b value is 2. into x2, x2 is 0, plus c, c is nothing but 2, into x3, x3 is 2, divided by a plus b plus c. So your answer to the question will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. So what is the answer that we get here now? 4 divided by 4 plus 2 root 2. So what is your answer that we get? 2 divided by 2 plus root 2. Correct? 2 divided by 2 plus root 2. If you look at the options here, what will do? Multiply by 2 minus root 2, divide by 2 minus root 2. One of the options should match, right? 2 into 2 minus root 2 divided by 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2 will get cancelled. So your answer to the question will be equal to what is it? 2 minus root 2. This will be the answer to the question.